Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my favorite cookie recipe. It's a chocolate chip cookie recipe, and of course it's vegan. First, start out preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Then we are going to measure out in a large mixing bowl 2/3 cup of vegan butter, 2/3 cup of vegan granulated sugar, and 2/3 cup of brown sugar. And mix those ingredients together. After that, add a half a cup of unsweetened plant-based milk. I used almond milk. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and mix those together. Now add to your wet ingredients 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, and mix. Now all you have to do is add in however many chocolate chips you want, and I use this brand from Aldi. I'm using baking mats, but make sure to spray your cookie sheet if you aren't, and you can put them in the oven for about 11 to 14 minutes. And the good thing about vegan cookies, you can also eat the cookie dough raw. It tastes really good. Here's how mine turned out. They should be a bit golden brown on the bottom. Thank you so much for watching. I will link this recipe down below along with my recipe video playlist. And I also make a lot of other videos too, so make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Bye!